I am an affiliate marketer and will earn a commission if you purchase through my affiliate link. Thank you for supporting my content. Want to save big on groceries, electronics, and everyday essentials? Sam's Club offers exclusive wholesale pricing, members-only perks, and huge savings on top brands. Here's why a membership is totally worth it. Insane bulk discounts. Save on groceries, household essentials, and personal care products at wholesale prices. Stock up on your favorites and cut your grocery bill in half. Exclusive member-only perks. Get fuel discounts, cashback rewards, and free shipping on select items. Access early shopping hours and VIP deals that non-members don't get. Shop online and in-store. Enjoy the convenience of curbside pickup and same-day delivery. Shop thousands of products online with exclusive member savings. Limited time offer. Join today. Right now, sign up and get an exclusive membership deal. Don't miss out. This special offer won't last forever. Are you a Sam's Club member? Tell us your favorite deal in the comments. Join Sam's Club here. Like, follow, and share for more shopping hacks and product reviews.